Alright, so while I'm down exploring Byfield and Waterpark, I thought I'd come and show you this. This is a little secret in Byfield. Byfield Waterparks, or Byfield's own little waterfall, you can call it. Got to watch out for snakes here because we've seen a couple of snakes before here, but you can actually hear it, can't you? So we'll keep on filming and I'll show you this little place. So watch I don't slip over. I'm lucky I'm wearing my good shoes today, my real hiking shoes, but have a look down there. A bit closer, but I won't get too close. When you're ready, we'll turn around. And there you are. Byfield's little waterfall, they call it. How cool is that? And a bit of a little rock gully. Must have been flowing for years and years and years, and it's just made its way eroded. But you see little ferns and everything in there. Have a look. Amazing, eh? There you go, guys. Alright, well I'll keep on going anyway.